myself, Parul Yadav. Welcome back to my channel, Knowledge is Power. The varieties of bird species is simply amazing. We see birds everywhere, but don't usually realize how little we know about these birds. So, I have a small list of 10 amazing facts of birds. Want to know about these amazing facts of birds? So let's start the video. Number 1. Ravens are the great at mimicking human speech and sounds. Number 2. Did you know that ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal? Number 3. Cardinals likes to cover themselves in ants. Number 4. Friends, you know that owls devour their prey whole. Number 5. Some ducks sleeps with one eye open. Wow, amazing. Number 6. Kiwis are sometimes called honorary mammals. Number 7. Most hummingbirds weigh less than a nickel. Number 8. In ancient Greece, pigeons delivered the results of the Olympic Games. Amazing, wow. Number 9. You know that parrots can learn to say hundreds of words. Number 10. Swiftlet nests are a delicacy. Some swiftlets, approximately named edible nest swiftlet, build nests almost exclusively from their hundreds saliva. Wow, amazing. And if you like this video, please do hit a like, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.